In 1770, a man called James Watt, he used to make steam engines. And this is before the railways really caught on, because there weren't steam engines before and they didn't have any other engines, but he started to design and build steam engines. And he found a good customer with the guys who used to mine. The problem with mining at that time, and even today, a lot of water would pour in the mine and they had to pump it out. And so he decided to make a steam engine and put it to work to actually pump water out of mines. But to sell his steam engines, he caught on to a good idea, not to try and sell the pressure rating or the pistons or the temperatures and the pressures of the whole boiler to make the steam, but he actually decided to sell the idea of how many horses it could replace. And he would go along to the mine owners and say, look, you're employing about 20 horses at the moment to take your water out of the mine, but my engine will replace 20 horses because it's a 20 horsepower steam engine. And that's where the horsepower idea came in terms of energy. So you can remember horsepower was actually generated by that story in 1770. Likewise, we feel that the reusable silicon membranes are going to replace not horses, but will replace a lot of labor, high-tech labor, and we would say that actually one silicon membrane could easily replace 40 hours of skilled labor for bagging up a week. Obviously, replacing 40 hours of skilled labor is not to make people redundant, it's to provide for the operator, the manager of the company, to put them to task with other activities and increase their production. And therefore, the manpower that is there is not going to lose a job, they're simply going to be more efficient and make more mouldings, which makes more profit.